Russell Weir here from Yakman Outdoors. Just wanted to show you some footage that we got from our recent trip to Los Buzos in Panama. On this day we were hunting tuna. So we took our good luck charm, Mr. Doy Hadid, joining Summer and Matt Dunlap. We went out on a good day here. It was really calm and we started seeing some activity, so we got the rods ready. Handed one up to Matt, who was first up. Matt's using a big popper. Red and white was the color that he chose, and it worked really well. We saw some dolphin jumping, and it usually meant that there were tuna around. Matt makes a great cast and puts it right in front of the fish. He pops a couple of times, and immediately he's on. Since we were still moving forward, this fish made a beeline to the back of the boat, and we had to move some rods to get him in position. Shane and I dropped the kayak in the water, and Matt was about ready to hop in. We were beyond excited at this point. Unbelievable feeling to see somebody do this out of a kayak.
Holy Moses on a rocket powered pogo stick. Yellowfin tuna.
Matt, ¿dónde está tu cara?
Huh?
I got it.
Go, baby! I got color already. It's a good one. Don't want the line rubbing against anything. This is so crazy.
Oh my gosh.
There you go, that's better angle.
I want to get away from the boat.
No, you're good. You're okay.
I mean, you got some time.
Everything's okay. Doing good with your legs, Matt. You're doing good.
Oh shit!
Yeah, that's
I was like,
Oh, don't go that way. He's squirrely. All right, I'm gonna come give you this other gap.
your hands and feet in the tram at all times.
Para atrás, Victor.
There, yes!
Yeah!
yes!
Woo! They've made so many mistakes.
You got the thing in the boat. You were successful.
That was good. Biggest from kayak officially.
Nice job, Matt.
I'm hooking. We'll get a picture of you holding the kayak.
Matt.
Nah, that was awesome.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
that was worth it.
I guess our man did do something good.
I agree. He needs to come with us the rest of the week. It's okay.
I want to get an overhead shot if I can. Yeah! Amazing.
You got everything?
Hell yeah, I got it. Man, thanks for your help too. That was a great, smooth kayak launch. They're still there. Okay, I wasn't ready. Okay. There you go. Yeah! 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 Oh. Okay, you walk to the back.
Yeah, now he's on.
He's on.
Right. I'm just gonna fight it from
here,
man.
You gonna fight it from here?
Yeah.
It's not like a holy shit.
Nice.
How's it going?
It's going okay. Double your age.
I mean, shit, you're doing a good job. You want a fighting belt or anything, or that butt cushion?
Yeah, there you go.
Doing good, brother. Hey, do you want me to get a belt or anything? Or the butt cushion?
Tuna.
Keep this kayak out of here.
He's going behind the boat. Turn.
Hey, Victor. Oh.
You ready? The foot part's already done.
Yeah!
Let me see that. The stick. Where's the stick?
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah.
Now I'll do the kayak.
Okay.
I just want to get the stink off.
Yeah. Sí, está por acá.
I love this.
Come on, baby, take a picture.
I want to get in the water in the sun. With Matt catching his first out of the kayak, I decided it was my turn.
That's all right, we got
What the
another
heck?
one.
You only live
Doesn't
once,
matter.
right?
This is big.
What's the worst that could happen?
Took it all the way to the friggin' depths of
Shut
the
the door! Russell's a beast. What type of motor do you have on that thing?
It's called a tuna root. How'd you get yours up so fast?
That might be a lot bigger than mine. Underwater film? He might make a last run that's real fucking strong. Oh, pull it forward.
Ah, está cogido por el rabo.
Tangled by its tail. Okay, we're gonna try to get it from you.
Perfect. Thank you. Just let me go if he starts going under the boat. Oh my god. I'm just gonna let you go.
Alright, I'll be
here for a while.
Yeah. Dude, try to get him to the front of your boat.
He's hooked in the fucking tail, dude. Give me a break.
His reel's about to burn out too. Oh my god.
That took him right out of me.
It's gonna be a while.
Perfecto. It was at this point I just decided to sit and reflect on the moment. And to say, in my mind, what a great day on the water today. We ended up with 4 or 5 tuna and couldn't have asked for better conditions out there. Thanks to Matt and Summer for sharing this experience with me, and thanks to Shane and Victor for making it all possible. You guys rock.